In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix monitor goes black randomly on Windows 11 PC. It's a full guide, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Now, when your monitor randomly turns black for a few seconds, keeps turning off and on or anything like that, it means your system is experiencing a temporary hardware or software signal disconnect. This is rarely because your monitor is dying. Instead, it's usually just a display driver issue. So what you want to do is execute the instant GPU driver restart command, and 90% of the time, this is going to work for you. So all together, you want to press your Windows key, Shift, Control, and B all at once. And your speakers are going to emit a quick, sharp beep sound, and your monitor screen will instantly flash. And this keyboard shortcut forces Windows to completely tear down and reload your graphics driver subsystem from scratch without requiring a full PC reboot. What you can also do is open up your Windows search bar and then type in power plan like so, and then you're going to see edit power plan as one of the options. Now what we're going to do is press change advanced power plan settings and then scroll down until you find PCI Express. You're going to see link state power management. Now what we're going to do is change the setting drop down menu from moderate or maximum power savings to off. So as you can see, mine is currently off already. If you have it on maximum or moderate, turn it off, and then you should see a big difference. Now if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.